Hello students, now in today's video we will start the practice set 3.4. In yesterday's video we have studied the inscribed angle theorem and cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Okay, now by using both the theorems and corollaries we have to solve this practice set 3.4. The first example is in figure O is the center, length of the chord AB is equal to radius of the circle. So this length of chord AB, that means this AB segment AB is congruent to this radius OA as well as radius OB, okay, of the circle. Find the measure of each of the following. Okay, first angle AOB, this way we have to find angle ACB, then arc AB, measure of arc this AB, and arc ACB, that we have to find. Okay, very simple example is this. क्या गिवन है अपने को कि कॉर्ड AB का लेंथ जो है ये सर्कल के रेडियस के इक्वल है. ओके, दैट मींस हियर OA इज इक्वल टू OB इज इक्वल टू AB. दैट मींस दिस ट्रायंगल OAB इज इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. तीनों साइड्स इक्वल हो गए. ओके, एंड देयरफॉर मेजर ऑफ ईच एंगल इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. राइट, अगर ये 60 आएगा सो मेजर ऑफ दिस माइनर आर्क इज आल्सो 60 डिग्री बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मेजर ऑफ एन आर्क. The measure of minor arc is equal to the measure of its corresponding central angle. Right? अब ये 60 आ गया. So this is an intercepted arc and angle ACB is inscribed angle. So measure of this inscribed angle is half of its intercepted arc. So 60 का half कितना आएगा ये 30. So measure of this angle is equal to 30 degree. हो गया. Arc AB 3 हो गया. Now we have to find arc ACB which is major arc. And measure of major arc is equal to 360 minus measure of minor arc. Minor arc is 60 degree का 360 minus 60, that is 300 degrees. In this way we have to solve this example. कोई doubt है इसके अंदर? Okay, we'll start the solution. Since OA is equal to OB is equal to AB, okay, it is given. Okay, therefore triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Is an equilateral triangle. Is an equilateral triangle. Therefore angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Okay, by definition of equilateral triangle angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Now measure of arc AB is equal to angle AOB by definition of measure of an arc. Okay, so therefore measure of arc AB is equal to how much it is? 60 degree. Right, now AOB, this is the solution for first. Okay, this is the solution for third one. Third we have to find angle ACB. Now since for second angle ACB is equal to half into measure of arc AB by inscribed angle theorem. Okay, and therefore angle ACB is equal to half into measure of arc AB is 60. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 0s are 0, and therefore angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Okay, ये हो गया. Now last one is fourth one, measure of arc ACB is equal to 360 degree minus measure of arc AB. This is by definition of measure of an arc. Or you can write major arc, will do. That is equal to 360 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 300 degrees. So in this way we have to solve this first example. Yes, any doubt in this? No? Okay, now we'll come to next one. So second example is PQRS is cyclic, side PQ, this PQ is congruent to QR. Okay, PSR is equal to 110 degree. PSR means this angle is equal to 110 degrees. It is given. Okay, then we have to find angle PQR. Angle PQR we can find, because PQRS is cyclic, and in cyclic quadrilateral opposite angles are supplementary angles, है ना? That means their addition is equal to 180 degree. So 110 plus how much is equal to 180 degree? 70. So this angle PQR is equal to 70 degree. Okay. Now then measure of arc PQR. Measure of arc PQR. So to find measure of arc PQR, first we have to find measure of arc PSR. This arc we have to find. Now this inscribe angle measure we got here. How much it is? 35 degree. Sorry, 70 degree. है ना? This is 70 degree. So measure of this inscribe angle is equal to half its intercepted arc. So this intercepted arc will be how much? It is 140 degree. Double हो जाएगा ना उसका, बराबर? So इसकी आएगा 140 degree and 140. So measure of this major arc PQR is equal to 360 minus 140. 360 minus 140, it will be 220. Yes. Okay. So measure of arc PQR is equal to 220 degree. Now measure of arc QR. Measure of arc QR. Now we have studied one theorem. In a circle, if chords are congruent, then their corresponding arcs are congruent. Okay, and here PQ and QR are two congruent chords. Therefore, their arcs are also congruent. But this arc PQR is equal to 220. So just divide this 220 into two equal parts. So you will get measure of each arc as a 110 degree. Okay, and then we have to find measure of angle PRQ. PRQ easily you can find. Once you got this measure of arc PQ, then take half of that, you will get measure of angle PRQ. Okay, so ये हिसाब से हमको क्या करना है, इसका solution लिखना है. Okay, so we start solution here. Solution for first, since this quadrilateral PQRS is cyclic, it is given. Therefore, angle PSR plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degrees. But PSR is 110 degree plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree, and therefore angle PQR is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree is equal to, it is 70 degree. So angle PQR is equal to 70 degree. That is the solution for first. Okay, then we have to find measure of arc PQR. Measure of arc PQR, this arc we have to find. So first we find PSR. Now since angle PQR is an inscribed angle, therefore angle PQR is equal to half into measure of arc PSR by inscribed angle theorem. Okay, so angle PQR is 70 degree. This 2 is in division. On left hand side it will be in multiplication, is equal to measure of arc PSR. So 72s are, it is 140 degree is equal to measure of arc PSR. So measure of arc PSR is equal to 140 degree we got, and therefore measure of arc PQR is equal to 360 degree minus measure of arc PSR. This is by definition of measure of an arc. Okay, that is equal to, it is 360 degree minus 140 degree, it will be 220 degrees. Okay, so it is 220 degree. Yes, any doubt in this? Okay, now third one, what we have to find? Measure of arc QR. Now since segment PQ is congruent to segment QR. Therefore, measure of arc PQ is congruent to measure of arc, not congruent, equal to measure of arc PQ is equal to measure of arc QR. Okay, arcs corresponding to congruent chords. Okay, and therefore measure of arc PQR is equal to measure of arc PQ plus measure of arc QR. Okay, and therefore measure of arc PQR is nothing but 220 degree is equal to measure of arc PQ plus measure of arc PQ we can write, because QR is equal to measure of arc PQ. Okay, so you will get 220 degree is equal to 2 times measure of arc PQ, and therefore 220 divided by 2 is equal to measure of arc PQ, and therefore measure of arc PQ is equal to 2 ones are 2 ones are 0s are. Just simplify here. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and 0s are 0. 110 degrees. Okay. So in this way we can find the measure of arc PQ. Measure of arc PQ, and therefore measure of arc QR. Therefore measure of arc QR is also, it is 110 degrees. Okay. Up to this it is over. Now next, fourth one, measure of angle PRQ. Fourth one, measure of angle PRQ. Fourth one, angle PRQ is an inscribed angle. Therefore, angle PRQ is equal to half into measure of arc PQ. Okay, the reason is by inscribed angle theorem. Okay, that is equal to half into measure of arc PQ. We just calculate here. It is 110 degrees. Okay, just simplify here. 2 ones are 2, 5s are 10. 1 left. 2 5s are 10 is equal to 55 degree. So in this way we can solve this second example. Yes, any doubt in this? No? Okay. Now next one is third example. So this is the third example. Quadrilateral MRPN is cyclic. Angle R is equal to 5x minus 13 degree and angle N is equal to 4x plus 4 degree. Find the measure of angle R and angle N. Okay, that we have to find. Okay, now since it is given that quadrilateral MRPN is cyclic, therefore angle R plus angle N is equal to 180 degree. By the theorem of cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. Measure of angle R is 5x minus 13 plus angle N is 4x plus 4 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so 5x plus 4x, it is 9x, and minus 13 plus 4. So minus 13 plus 4 is minus 9. Different signs are there. We have to perform subtraction. For 13 minus 4, that is 9, and greater number sign is equal to 180 degree, and therefore 9x is equal to 180, and this minus 9 becomes plus 9, and therefore 9x is equal to 189, and therefore x is equal to 189 divided by 9. This 9 get divided here. Just divide it. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 ones are 9, and therefore x is equal to 21. Okay, and therefore angle R, measure of angle R is equal to, it is 5x minus 13, that is equal to 5 into 21 minus 13 is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 minus 13 is equal to 105 minus 13, it will be 92 degrees. It is 92 degrees. We just subtract it. And angle N, measure of angle N is equal to, it is 4x plus 4. 4x plus 4, that is equal to 4 into 21 plus 4 is equal to 4 1s are 4 2s are plus 4 is equal to 88 degrees. Okay. So in this way we have to solve these three examples. Any doubt in this? No?